Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable QuickBooks to track rental income and expenses, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable QuickBooks to track rental income and expenses, start by opening your QuickBooks application. Log in to your company file. Navigate to the Lists menu located at the top of the screen. Select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down. In the Chart of Accounts window, click on the Account button at the bottom left. Choose New from the menu to create a new account. Select Income as the account type for rental income. Click Continue to proceed to the account details. Name the account something recognizable like rental income. Optionally, fill in a description to clarify its purpose. Click Save and Close to create the income account. Next, create a new expense account for tracking your rental expenses. Again, click on the Account button and select New. This time, choose Expenses as the account type. Click Continue to enter the details for the expense account. Name this account something like rental expenses. Provide a description if necessary. Click Save and Close to finish creating the expense account. Now, you need to enter any existing rental income and expenses. Go to the Banking menu at the top of the screen. Select Make Deposits to input rental income. Choose the appropriate bank account for the deposit. Enter the date and amount of the income received. Select the newly created rental income account in the From Account column. Add any relevant memos or details about the source of income. Click Save and Close to record the transaction. For entering rental expenses, navigate to the Vendors menu. Select Enter bills or write checks based on how you pay your expenses. Choose the vendor you are making the payment to. Enter the date and amount for the expense. In the Expenses tab, select the Rental Expenses account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.